Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Qbirds Pharmacy Study Circle. Today I will discuss about pharmaceutical engineering subtopic distillation. It is very important topic in pharmaceutical engineering, distillation methods and what use instruments in pharmaceutical industry sector, distillation and helpful in pharmaceutical unit operations. Each slide a very important in this section. Don't skip, watch keeping everyone. Don't skip this video. See, let's start the today section. What is meaning of definition in distillation? Distillation is a unit operation which involves separation of a vaporizable components from a multi-component system and subsequent condensation of vapors. This is called distillation. That's relatively ideal perfect solutions. It is defined as the one in which there is no change in the properties of the component other dilution when they are mixed to solutions. This is called is ideal perfect solution. Example in ideal perfect solution, methanol and water. Next one, classification of distillation methods. Distillation instruments what unit operation involved in pharmaceutical industries. What helpful of distillation instruments. One by one I each explain detailedly to please watch it. Okay, let's start the one. Instrument name, simple distillation. What principle involved in simple distillation? Liquids boils when its vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. What uses of simple distillation instrument? It is used for the preparation of distilled water and water for injection. Many volatile oils and aromatic waters are prepared by simple distillation. Example, spirit of nitrous, ether and aromatic spirit of ammonia. Next instrument, flash equilibrium distillation. What principle involved in flash equilibrium distillation? When a hot liquid mixture is allowed to enter from a higher pressure zone into a lower pressure zone. This is called flash equilibrium distillation principle. What uses of flash equilibrium distillation? Separating components which are boiled at widely different temperature used in. Example like petroleum industry for refining for crude oil. This is called flash equilibrium distillation. See the next instrument, fractional distillation. What principle involved in fractional distillation? A mass transfer process involving counter current diffusion of the component at each equilibrium stage. What uses of fractional distillation? Separation of miscible liquids. Example like acetone, water, chloroform and benzene. This is called fractional distillation. See next instrument, azeotropic and extractive distillation. What principle involved in azeotropic and extractive distillation? Addition of new substance to the mixture to increase relative volatility of one of the two components and making separation of relatively easy. Okay, what uses of azeotropic and extractive distillation? Absolutely alcohol can be preferred and petroleum refineries and distilleries use this type of distillation. This is called azeotropic and extractive distillation. See the next instrument, steam distillation. What helps roles in steam distillation? It's a very important role in industrial pharmacy sector. Okay, which principle involved in steam distillation instrument? Mixture of immiscible liquids begins to boil when the sum of their vapor pressure is equal to pressure. This is called steam distillation involved. What uses of steam distillation instrument? Separation of immiscible liquids, extraction of volatile oils, purification of liquid, aromatic water is prepared, camphor is distilled. This is uses of steam distillation. See the next instrument, molecular distillation. What principle involved in molecular distillation? The vapor pressure above the liquid is much lower than that of saturated vapor in equilibrium at low pressure. The distance between evaporating surface and their condenser is approximately equal to the free path of the vapor molecules. This is involved in principle of molecular distillation, right? What uses of molecular distillation? Purification of molecules, refining mixed oils, vitamin A separated from fish liver oil. This is uses of molecular distillation. Okay, next one, next instrument, distractive distillation. What helps roles in distractive distillation in unit operation in pharmaceutical engineering? What principle involved in distractive distillation? In which the distillate the decomposition products of constituents of the organic matter burnt in the absence of air. What uses of distractive distillation? Industrial process for obtaining many valuable products from example like wood, coil and animal matter. This is called distractive distillation. Okay, thank you everyone. Qubit forms a study circle and thank you everyone. Please share, subscribe, like, comment. Thank you everyone.